I would say the number one piece of advice I would give to first generation law students and young lawyers is just be intentional about building your community. I think that when you are first generation like myself, there's a tendency to want to, do things yourself, be in a silo because you've had to work extremely hard by yourself to get to where you are, be it a law student or as a young lawyer. But I think we have to be intentional doing is building those relationships, having community, those people that you can go to when you have a question. I think that one particular way I've been able to do that is just by asking lawyers and asking judges for coffee, asking them to lunch. And in those conversations, I can remember as a law student, I would bring my little notepad of questions that I wanted to ask about their career. And while it was very awkward, looking back, I know that I was that awkward law student. Nowadays, I'm appreciative because now when I go to one-on-ones, I'm more comfortable talking to, those judges. I'm more comfortable talking to senior lawyers because I had so much experience. I put myself in uncomfortable situations as a young lawyer. As a law student rather. And so I think it's just important to be intentional about it. And also the last thing I'll say is that I know that as, first generation young lawyers and law students, we tend to there's this thought that, there's this imposter syndrome floating around. But I think that the more exposure, we have to senior partners, senior judges, senior attorneys, the less likely we are to view them as us versus them. The more likely we say like, oh, wow, they're human too. And they do the same things. They have the same interests I do. And I think that by being intentional about building relationships, you just can never go wrong with that.